Welcome back to Dinar Current, your trusted hub for up-to-the-minute financial updates, live currency insights, and key developments in Iraq's rapidly transforming monetary environment. Today, we're covering a significant breakthrough, one that could signal a turning point for the Iraqi dinar. That's right, Bank of America is now reportedly accepting 25,000 and 10,000 Iraqi dinars banknotes. What was once speculation confined to online communities is now becoming reality. This move could mark a critical milestone in the long-anticipated revaluation (RV) of Iraq's currency. So grab your coffee or tea, and let's explore what this could mean for investors and the broader financial landscape. Bank of America acknowledges the Iraqi dinar. Recent reports indicate that Bank of America has begun accepting large denomination Iraqi dinar notes, specifically the 25,000 and 10,000 Iraqi dinars bills, for preliminary processing and deposit preparation. This is a striking departure from past policies. Until recently, most major U.S. banks avoided dealing with the dinar due to its speculative status. Why the sudden shift? What's motivating one of America's top banking institutions to show confidence in a currency long considered unstable? The answer may lie in behind-the-scenes preparations for a global financial realignment. For years, holders of the Iraqi dinar have been waiting for clear, actionable signs of a potential currency revaluation. We've followed the economic indicators, rumors, and official statements. But when a major bank starts setting up infrastructure for dinar exchange, the conversation shifts from theory to reality. Back-end systems in motion. According to insiders, Bank of America isn't just accepting these notes, it's establishing internal systems to verify and eventually exchange them if and when a new rate is announced. This level of preparation implies a level of certainty or foresight into upcoming changes in the global currency environment. Consider this: if a single 25,000 Iraqi dinars note were to be exchanged at a speculative rate of $3.91 per dinar, that one note would be worth nearly $97,750 USD. Multiply that by even a modest holding and the potential financial gain becomes significant. That's why dinar investors and economists are watching closely. Iraq's economic reform and renewed strength. This shift is backed by Iraq's ongoing push to modernize its economy. The country is implementing monetary reforms, launching digital currency initiatives, approving robust national budgets, and expanding oil exports. Iraq's economic foundation is becoming more stable and globally integrated. The 2025 national budget has been passed, oil production is climbing, and Iraq is forging stronger international trade relations. In this context, a stronger dinar, and recognition by U.S. banks, makes sense. When major financial institutions act in advance of official announcements, it typically signals that policy changes are imminent. What Bank of America's move really means? Sources claim that select Bank of America branches are now accepting 10K and 25K dinar notes for scanning, cataloging, and secure storage. This doesn't mean instant redemption. Instead, it's a preparatory step that puts dinar holders in a good position if and when the RV is publicly confirmed. Such internal readiness shows strong institutional confidence. A bank of this scale likely wouldn't proceed unless it had credible insight, possibly from the U.S. Treasury or even the International Monetary Fund (IMF). If true, this suggests coordinated planning between U.S. financial authorities, Iraq, and global institutions. The rise of the digital dinar. Let's not overlook Iraq's move toward a digital dinar, a shift that began in late 2024. By digitizing its currency, Iraq hopes to fight corruption, improve transaction speed, and boost international trade. Bank of America's modern digital systems make it easier to support and integrate such innovations. Digital currency also eliminates the risk of counterfeit bills and removes the need for shipping paper notes, making the process more secure and efficient. As Iraq moves toward a single, stable exchange rate, black market activity diminishes and public trust increases, adding further strength to the dinar's legitimacy. Restoring credibility to Iraq's currency. This isn't just about one bank. It's about global confidence in Iraq's economic comeback. Bank of America's involvement sends a powerful signal that the country is on the path to financial stability and global reintegration. Other banks, like Wells Fargo and JP Morgan Chase, may soon follow to stay competitive. Once one major bank enters the game, others usually don't wait long to join. What this means for IQD investors. For longtime dinar holders, this could be the confirmation they've been waiting for. The Iraqi dinar is no longer being dismissed as a novelty or collector's item. It's being treated as a potentially valuable currency. Reports suggest that redemption centers are now staffed and equipped, with software updates and real-time coordination in place. This doesn't look like past false starts. It looks like a well-organized and genuine preparation for something real. There's even talk that a trigger date may already be locked in. Iraq's global return. Iraq holds vast oil reserves, is nurturing global partnerships, and is building a robust, modern financial framework. With oil prices stable around $78–82 per barrel, the country is poised for long-term economic success. The last piece of the puzzle. A credible, revalued currency. Revaluation isn't fantasy, it's a deliberate tool of economic strategy. And now, it appears the international banking sector is finally treating it as such. Final advice for dinar holders. Stay cautious, be alert for scams, and always verify claims with your bank. But also recognize the signs, they're getting harder to dismiss. From new software and staff training to bank-level currency processing and international coordination, momentum is building fast. If you own IQD, now is the time to organize your notes, stay informed, and remain prepared. The finish line may finally be in sight. So what do you think? Is this the moment dinar investors have been waiting for? Leave a comment, share this update with fellow investors, and don't forget to subscribe to Dinar Current for more breaking updates. Until next time, stay aware, stay hopeful, and stay ready.